Now the next thing I want, in this product categories report, we currently have a drill through, but what if we wanted a sub-report? What if we wanted underneath each of the categories the product report? Now bear in mind the product categories dataset is this one here, whilst the other one, the product report, is this one, and they're not joined together in the SQL Server sense. So this would be one report running one query, which then runs another report several times running another query, another data set. So what we can do is we can insert an extra row, and we'll insert it inside the details group. We don't want it outside the group, and we want it below. So we now have an extra row, and if I preview that, you can see this extra row there. So we're going to merge these cells together because we want it to be across all of them, and then we want to insert a subreport. And if you go to the properties of this subreport, we can see quite a lot of stuff, but where do we start? Well, the answer is we don't have to start anywhere here. We can right and click and go to subreport properties. So the first thing, name the report, this subreport. I'm going to call it subproduct report. Use this report as a subreport. Are we omitting the border on the page break? That's a personal decision. But what's most important is we go into parameters. And we add the parameter for the product subcategory ID, and we're adding the param product sub ID. So we're making sure that underneath each is only the relevant items. So let's preview that. So under number 26 we have a report dealing with 26. Under number 27 we have a report dealing with 27, and so on. So this might be a good way of showing somebody else all of the items relating to a particular thing without having to do a really complex SQL query. It's also good for printed reports when you don't have the interactivity of being able to click on a hyperlink to open up somebody's report, a second report. So this is subreports.